Hi guys, how you doing? It's Kevin here. Hopefully all is well with you, and hopefully you can see me okay today. I just wanted to jump on board just to have a quick chat to you about how you can find the best-selling products on ClickBank. This is great if you're into affiliate marketing, and you should be if you're in the group here. But I just wanted to share this with you. So I'm going to do this live rather than just, you know, do it the other way. Now, most people know ClickBank. If you don't, clickbank.com. They've got a whole range of affiliate products you can choose from. But this took me a long time. You can see all these different categories: entertainment, business, computers, e-commerce, lots of different products, all digital products, of course. Let's say, for example, you're doing blog marketing. There's something on the screen here. So this is a live example of how to find the best-selling products on ClickBank. I just thought I'd come on board to do it live because people like to see real people, so I'm a real person, and I like helping people achieve a certain level of success within their business. Okay. Now I don't own the group here, but I just want to come in board and offer some value to people within the group because I remember starting out myself and feeling pretty much the same way as people, being kind of somewhat lost, going to YouTube, trying to see, well, what is it? Can somebody teach me this? For years, nobody actually taught this method. Okay, and then I was lucky enough to see a video from the ClickBank CEO at the time, and somebody asked him the question of how do you find the best-selling products on ClickBank. So this strategy is very simple. It's very easy once you know how. It's like anything else. But as you can see here, as you're going down here, there's all different categories that you can actually promote. We all know health and fitness is a big category. Always has been, always will be, I think, because people will have issues with health or fitness. So that's usually a good one to go after. Self-help is another area where people are looking for guidance. And each one of these categories, you have dating guidance. So if somebody's in the dating niche market and that kind of stuff, they may not want to go directly to their parents and ask them about, the latest thing to do. They may be searching online and that kind of stuff. So that's kind of the different area there. So marriage and relationships, motivation, transformation. So they will be kind of like the two big ones. But how do we actually find the products that are selling really well right now? So I'm going to share that with you now. So basically what you want to do is you want to go up to the affiliate marketplace at the top of the screen here. There's you can't see that there, but it's affiliate marketplace support, and we have create account and login. So you're just going to go to the affiliate marketplace and click on that. And it just brings us to this more familiar, like this is the way it was in the beginning actually with ClickBank. And again, down all these sites, they have all the different categories that you can choose from. But for ages, I was trying to figure out how this is done. So all you simply got to do is follow the step. Okay, come up to your computer. You'll see at the top of here, it says Find Product section just here. I know it's pretty hard to see right now, but there is a section there called Find Products. Click your cursor there. Don't type in anything into the search engine. Just press enter. Okay. Now what you've got is you've got a list of products. It's brought back different products from Cinderella Solution. What else is there? CB University, Diabetes. You can look through these products here. And the reason why I just did that simple task will bring you to the best-selling products on ClickBank. It's that simple. But it took me ages to try and figure it out. What are they? How do you find them? Well, that's it. That simple process took me nearly 3 years to figure out, until I came across the CEO of ClickBank that showed me that method. So use that, implement that strategy, and then you'll be able to know what are the best selling products that you can promote on ClickBank. So easy, straightforward, and there's no hassle with it. You can do this in a couple of seconds and you're up and running. Now, obviously, when you're learning the methods of doing, affiliate marketing, there is a certain amount of strategies and steps that you need to do to make it happen for yourself. So, what I would like to offer you, and it's only an option if you want to do this, is that we have moved away from ClickBank itself. Now, there's nothing wrong with ClickBank. They offer some great products and services, and some offer different price tags like $37, $67. There's one there $400, $39. This is all the commissions that you can earn, and some offer kind of an ongoing payment with that. But we've kind of moved away from that because the higher price ticket items, although there's one there, are very hard to actually, you know, find them. Okay, and the second thing is that if you've got a high price product, what I find is that you need somebody to help you convert that. Okay, it needs to be a phone sales team or something like that. So, what I've done is I've moved away from that, and I'm doing training. I've done training that teaches you all these strategies how to make money on ClickBank as well. But more importantly than that, it teaches you how to make high value commission items. Now, the what I'm talking about high value commissions is very simply is the price of the product, or is dearer, but the commission level is much dearer too. And we have a team of people. Please also discuss Amazon Associates. I will do that, the Amazon side of things a little bit later on. I don't want to confuse the issue here, as Amazon is a different kind of animal, really. This is about high, digital products that we're talking about here. But I will do another one related to Amazon, and because we actually sell directly on Amazon as well. But I don't want to confuse the issue with this particular video broadcast, because it's just purely about the affiliate marketing. So thank you for that, my friend, and we'll do that at a later stage. So where were we? We're train of thought. Okay, so we found out the actual products and the popularity of the products and that kind of stuff. So how do you go about putting the whole thing together and doing it properly, so that we don't send people directly to a page? We don't want to be seen as sending people directly to a page. Nobody likes to be sold something. So there is a method and a strategy to doing it, and we do have a great training program available for that. And the training program itself will teach you to do higher price products, anywhere from say 400, 300, a couple of $100 to over 4,000 per sale. Now, to do that, as I said, you need to have a couple of things in place. You need to have a sales team behind you, somebody on the phone to people explaining exactly what we have and what we offer, and that's what we do over in this other training program that I'm using. Okay, so we have that all in place, so it's very simple to do that. So if you're looking to make higher commissions and understand how it's all done, and this is the important thing, you can just put the word yes down below the video here, and I will send you a free training program that you can get on board to look through and figure out for yourself whether it's something that you want to do. So hopefully if you found this useful today, I'll be coming on board. I'll be doing a few more lives, because I think the lives are just, people can get to see you, like you and trust you and all that kind of stuff. So I think they're important. But I just wanted to bring this one to you very quickly indeed. It's a very simple method to, if you're promoting ClickBank products, to find those best-selling products. And if you want to, once again, find out more about how to do the higher price products of, anywhere from a couple of hundred to what did I say, 4,000 and upwards per sale, that 5,000 even per sale, that's just, put a word yes below this video, and I'll send you on some details. Okay, Kevin signing out. Hopefully you found this useful. If you like it, yeah, just say, okay, there's a couple of yeses coming in there, that's great. A couple of yeses for that, that's brilliant. If if you like this kind of content, let us know, and I'll keep producing content like this and put it out there to the marketplace. If you like the content again, I've just disclosed with you, be sure to share it as well. Let other people know about it, okay? So, until the next time we cross paths, this is Kevin Kavanagh signing out. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Let us know what you're up to as well. You can put a comment below. And I will talk to you again very soon indeed. Bye for now. Any questions, spot them below as well. Okay, bye for now.